What is an ISO protocol? An ISO protocol refers to a set of standardized procedures and guidelines established by the International Organization for Standardization. These protocols are developed through a consensus-based process involving experts from various fields. ISO protocols provide specifications, requirements, and best practices for various industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and more. In OandP, ISO protocols would involve standards that govern the design, manufacturing, testing, and usage of OandP devices and practices. But why are there no specific ISO protocols that solely address 3D printed sockets in the field of orthotics and prosthetics? 3D printed sockets are designed to fit the contours of a patient's residual limb. Because of this, they don't easily conform to the traditional one-size-fits-all approach of standard protocols. Each patient's anatomy, requirements, and preferences are unique, making it difficult to establish a single set of rigid standards that apply universally. So if an ISO protocol doesn't exist, how is it possible to evaluate the quality of a carbon fiber socket to that of a 3D printed socket? Come to our shared presentation at AOPA to find out.